Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings, navigate to Sounds and Vibration, then Sound Quality and Effects. This gives you the equalizer controls. Once there, enable the equalizer or adapt sound so the controls become active. You should choose a preset like Normal or Bass Boost as your baseline. This speeds up tuning and prevents extreme settings. Make sure your headphones or speaker are connected because profiles can change per output. After this initial setup, you're ready to refine frequencies for clarity. You now focus on the band sliders. Low to high, typically 60 Hz, 230 Hz, 910 Hz, 3, 6K Hz, and 14K Hz. Move each slider in small steps, about 3 to 6 decibels, and listen between moves. This prevents exaggerated bass or harsh highs. Once done adjusting lows for warmth or highs for clarity, use the A/B method by toggling between your custom setting and a preset to hear the difference. Make sure to test with familiar tracks so you tune for real-world listening rather than theoretical graphs. You finish by saving your custom preset so you can recall it for different headphones or locations. Name it clearly. If audio drops or sounds odd, first toggle Adapt Sound Off and On, then restart the audio app. Sometimes the output profile needs a refresh. If you hear distortion, reset the equalizer to defaults and reapply smaller boosts. Extreme boosts cause clipping. Finally, make sure Bluetooth codecs match device capability for best quality, and you'll be set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.